Have you ever wondered how CPA marketing can help you make money? Well, you're about to find out. CPA marketing stands for Cost Per Action Marketing, a savvy and effective approach that diverges from traditional marketing strategies. It's all about getting paid for actions taken by users, actions such as filling out a form, subscribing to a service, or buying a product. Unlike conventional marketing, where you're paid per click or impression, CPA marketing rewards you for the actual conversion. This means you're earning not just for traffic, but for tangible results. The potential for generating income with CPA marketing is substantial. Imagine getting a piece of the pie every time a user completes a desired action. The more actions completed, the more you earn. It's a win-win situation for both the marketer and the advertiser. Now that we've covered what CPA marketing is, you might be thinking, how can I get started? To start with CPA marketing, you first need to understand the basics. CPA, or cost per action, is a form of online advertising where you get paid for each action a visitor takes on your website. The action could be anything from signing up for a newsletter, completing a form, or purchasing a product. Now, CPA networks are the intermediaries between advertisers who want these actions and you, the publisher who can drive traffic to those advertisers. These networks host a variety of CPA offers, each with different payouts and action requirements. So how do you choose the right offer? Look for offers that align with your audience's interests and consider the payout. Higher payout offers often require more complex actions, so balance potential earnings with the likelihood of your audience completing the required action. With these basics, you're ready to dive into the world of CPA marketing. But first, you need to know how to get approved by CPA networks. Getting approved by CPA networks can be tricky, but with the right approach, you can get your foot in the door. The process begins with thorough research. Identify the networks that align best with your niche and goals. The application process is your chance to make a strong first impression. Be honest about your marketing experience, your plans, and your skills. Being professional is key. This includes having a well-designed website and a clear business plan. Don't be disheartened if you don't get approved on your first attempt. It's not uncommon. Use this as a learning experience. Refine your approach and try again. To increase your chances of approval, engage with the network. Show them you're serious about your venture. Attend webinars, participate in forums, and reach out to your affiliate manager. Building a relationship can go a long way. Once you've been approved by a CPA network, you're nearly ready to start making money. But what's next? Promoting CPA offers is where the real money-making begins. One of the most common ways to promote CPA offers is through your own website. By creating engaging content related to the offer, you can draw in potential customers and subtly encourage them to take the desired action. Another effective method is email marketing. By building a strong email list, you can send out targeted campaigns that promote specific CPA offers. But remember, it's crucial to create personalized and engaging emails to increase your conversion rates. Social media, too, is a powerful tool for promotion. Whether it's through paid ads or organic posts, promoting CPA offers on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn can reach a vast audience. However, the key to successful promotion is targeting the right audience. Understanding who is likely to be interested in the offer and tailoring your promotional strategies accordingly can significantly increase your conversions. Now that you know how to promote CPA offers, let's wrap up with some key points to remember. CPA marketing can be a lucrative income stream if done correctly. It's an online advertising model that rewards you for every action a user takes, from clicks to conversions and everything in between. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. Understanding the basics is your first step. Grasp the concept of cost per action. Know the difference between a publisher, an advertiser, and a user, and familiarize yourself with the different types of CPA offers. Next, we talked about getting approved by CPA networks, a process that involves building a strong portfolio and establishing a solid online presence. It's not just about signing up, it's about proving you can deliver quality traffic. Lastly, we delved into promoting CPA offers effectively. Whether it's through targeted ads, SEO, or social media, the aim is to reach the right audience at the right time with the right offer. With this knowledge, you're ready to start your journey in CPA marketing. Remember, success won't come overnight, but with determination and persistence, you can make it happen.